let's go with the break into the sections break. Section breaks is very, very helpful, and it's very, this part, it's very important, and it works with the header and footer. In this way, you can, if I tell you something in here, just that it does this work, and if not do that, okay, you will not understand it. Okay, but let's review them as a theory right now, and then really work into a practice, an assignment also, and project, and then also please do yourself this thing to really realize and learn all of that. So this next page inserts a section break. Now section means that page from the previous and next page is different, okay? They are not connected, so that's mean the section. So this is going to insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. And it says insert a section break and start the new section on the same page. Okay, so it's a little bit different. So it starts section break and on the same page. Okay, it doesn't create on this it doesn't create new page. So that's the only difference between the insert a section break and start the new page section break on even numbered pages. So it's gonna be it's gonna separate even pages together, and this one will separate odd pages together. Now, as a quick really project, let's go and really make this header and footer and somehow manage it to even look nicer. So I want 5 pages of this document to have I want all of this document to have number, but not the first page. I'm gonna click in here and says, and I'm gonna tell title, I'm gonna copy this, okay? I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna remove the background for this, okay? That I already have removed the background. So I'm gonna paste it in here and move it to the center. So this looks really like a document, right? So I want to really, how I did it, okay, you might say, well, how you did zoom out like that? I hold the control key and then I push the zoom out key, and I turned the wheel of the mouse. You can also do this here, from here, like zoom in and zoom out. That's possible as well. So right now we are at the print layout. You can also change it to the web layout and read mode layout. We will talk about them in particular into next section. So this is it. So I want to have first page a numbered. So I'm gonna go with footer, and here click in here. So this is, you can see right now, this is called number 1. So still it's number 1, number 2. I want to be different. Okay, I want to have different page. So I'm gonna click in here, and right now click in here. There's only one section. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here and insert layout break continuous. So right now you should see different, you're gonna double click, and you can see right now it says section 1, section 2. So in this way, once you come in here, all that is all the same, only we have one option, and that is linked to previous. You just uncheck mark this option. So I'm gonna go in here, also uncheck mark this option in the header and footer. Right now this page is not connected to this page. If I remove the number in here, so you can see right now still we have number 2. Now how you can start with number 1? We're gonna go to format page numbers and start with 1. That's very easy. So you can see right now 2. It says 2. So I'm gonna go in here, format page number, start with 1. I'm gonna go in here again, it says 2. Okay, what's the problem we already faced in here? So it says it's not linked, and it's not linked again. It's not linked. Well, that's good news. Why it's not linked? So right now we should see that there's a problem. We hit continuous. Okay, we're gonna go and hit we're gonna go and insert a new page to that. So I'm gonna go in here and layout and break next page. I'm gonna click next page. Once I do that, right now this should be different. So this should really work like that. Okay, I'm gonna take back this text. Okay, I'm gonna take back this text in here, make it title. Also move it to the left. And if I double click, there's section 1, section 2. So I'm gonna unlink it. So there you go. Right now, I come to here and I say start with 1. So it says start page number 1. So that's the tricky part. You should really understand, and I should really teach you that. And I taught you really now. So you should start using that page. So this is title, and this is the 1. This is 2, and the rest is counting on. So that's about the design, and the design continuous and next page. So you now understand what is the difference between continuous and next page, and hopefully you can work with these two. Okay, these are also the same as that. Line numbers, it's only counting the lines. That's it really. So I'm gonna justify it right now and come in here, and we're gonna go with layout, and we're gonna go line number. You can say it's continuous, or you can go with restart each page, restart each section, separates from current paragraph. You can do that as well. We can also line numbering options. We can go, and we can in here, we can have line numberings, and we can say start each page, section, or continuous. All of that is available in here. We can also hyphens as well. So let's go click in here. Hyphen is very good because sometimes it happens to text to be really bigger, so it creates a dash line for you. For example, let's see. Yeah, there you go. You can see right now in here. Remembers. Okay, word remembers. So that's about the automatic, and you can go with manual, of course. You can say, you can see that remembers, you can see that you can change that and update that. And also you can go with none. So there you go. And you can also go with automatic. Hyphen options is also available in here, so you can choose on. Let's continue our journey with this. We have paragraph and we have arrange, two group. Now you already know how to do with arrange. Okay, they are the same as that, so there's nothing new. Once you bring the insert the pictures and shapes, all of these, you'll have the same as these options. Okay, there is no, it's a repetitive option, so you already know what to do with them and how to work with them. But the one thing that is left in here is paragraph. We have indentation in here. You can do that as well. We can have left indentation. You can click in here. You can choose the left indentation, and then you can decide to which one it fits nice. You can go with the right indentation as well. Percent, and you can go also with after percent, after and before. You can decide on that. So that's about it. Now, how you can change the measurement unit in here? We will go to file, we go to options, and then we go to the advanced, and then in here you should find out the unit of measurement. So you scroll down, and you come in here and you find this thing. Okay, show measurement unit in the units of what. So you choose on that, and you choose in here, and you can change to centimeters, millimeters, points, and pixels. So we're gonna go with centimeters. Right now it's into centimeters and it's into PT, so it's a different one. You can also go with options, so it's the same. You can go with alignment, outline, direction, and indentation, spacing. All of that is available in here. So look out your project and see what you need, and then change on your needs.